Find or read reviews that people are talking about. KPHALTH Fridge Deodorizer, Refrigerator Deodorizer, Refrigerator Odor Eliminator. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose KPHALTH Fridge Deodorizer. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. KPHALTH Effective Deodorizing. A fridge deodorizer with subversive breakthrough in purification technology, decomposing harmful gases into water molecules, eliminating odors from the source, keeping it smelling fresh and pleasant. A decade lifespan. Our refrigerator deodorizer adopts high-quality filter element, which can be used for up to 10 years without charging or replacing, reducing waste and lightening the burden on the earth. Food-grade material. Made of SUS 304 stainless steel, antioxidant and corrosion resistant. It is a fridge odor eliminator for any environment, especially small spaces like refrigerators, shoe cabinets, and drawers. More effective. The KPHALTH filter has advanced decomposition particles, and its absorption capacity is 15 times stronger than baking soda and activated carbon. No replacement required, fragrance and chemical-free, more eco-friendly than rechargeable fridge odor absorbers. Handy and compact size. This refrigerator odor eliminator is suitable for home and travel. Odor eliminator comes in a lightweight, compact size. Highly effective in smelly places such as fridge, new wardrobe drawers, shoe cabinet, toilet, lockers, kitchens, gym bags, cars, and more. If you want to get full highlight features and / full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.